Actually, my name is called Erico. You know why or not? Because I bought stupid overseas property before. Kueh, okay. Yeah, I bought overseas property before. So please don't buy overseas property. Yeah, because it's a sad thing. I have a recent consultation recently and they say that, oh, Eric, I fully paid my condo and I went to buy 5 UK property. The person not here, right? No, because I got a lot of gossips to share with you. Okay, so first of all, don't buy. Okay, then always look for opportunities, which I will talk about budget later. So step out of your comfort zone, that's a very, very important thing. I believe all the huat here, you are here because you are stepping your next step to build your huat bigger and bigger, right? Anyone here going to sit down and don't do anything? Just say no. Are you doing that? Okay, just say for me and the give so much the whole thing about building your wealth is just do your 2 property. Do your how many? 2. Can you do more than that? Not easy because everyone can only want one residential property. And for those people who have HDB flat, unless your current HDB flat is the structure of an owner and the occupier thingy, then you can keep your flat and use the occupier to buy the second property for investment. Most of you don't know all these legal loopholes. Can I say that? Okay, if you don't know all this, of course, usually your HDB is in 2 names, owner, then you are fated to sell. If you want to build a portfolio, the only way is to sell your HDB. Sell your what? Everyone, sell your HDB. You need supportive spouse to do that, understand? I see, supportive spouse. Oh, I see, well done. And this is supportive spouse? A supportive spouse allow him to come out today. Okay, very good. Okay, so first of all, just do this buy 2 Am I going to teach you to buy 10? No, just buy 2. So difficult, man. Very easy, just buy 2 more, then don't do anything anymore. It sounds simple. It can be done. Later I show you the numbers, you will know that, hey, actually, Eric, I look at my spreadsheet after I done it. Actually, I'm quite hot. But you lack of something. Most of you have no guts. So I'm here to give you guts. So a bit of my background, I don't share so much. I damn poor If you know me long time ago, I poor cannot talk so much. Sorry, you know YouTube you can delete before I upload. So I apologize if I say anything wrong. Okay, so you can do this. Why one house red colors? Because when you buy the first property, the cash outlay, there's cash flow out because you're staying in that property. Why the investment property is the green color one? Because whatever, if you are below 45 years old, whatever resale property that you buy can be covered by rental. Possible? Possible or anyone below 45 years old, buy any resale property, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.8, 2 million, 2.4, 2.5 million, the current market rental can cover your installment. Possible? Anyone tell you not possible? You're right. So listen to the right source, understand, because I'm your huat master. Yes, there are people who say not possible, because these people who tell you not possible, they always look at lousy properties. And in my line of work, I only focus on 2 ones, and I don't care about lousy ones, understand? It's about mixing the right people. Do I mix with lousy people? No, that's why I don't have a lot of friends. Very sad one, you see. My best friend. My wife, you know my wife is my primary 1 classmate. primary 1就手拉手就踢小嘞，你要学懂吗？小意思，advance等一下talk so much. Okay, for those people who even can be better, if you have a place to stay somewhere with your in-law, like freeholder, you can stay with your parents in-law, go and buy 2 for investment. This is the best way for you to make money because whatever you buy, the rental can cover all. So you see, I have people who ask me, Eric, I should buy new launch because the down payment, the progressive payment is lesser. Which is wrong, yes, which is wrong. Because resale property, after down payment, the rental can cover fully, right? You don't need to pay anymore. Whereas new launch, you need to pay. The whole point about investment, we want to put down as little money to make the most money, am I right? For resale, I put in down payment, I make X amount of money. And for the 3 years of installment, I need to pay because rental can cover. Okay, then for new launch, after down payment, I still need to pay installment, which is about 3% of your purchase price. If let's say today you buy 2 million, 2 million can't even buy 3 bedder here. You use 2 million today, the installment for 3 years is about how much? 数学这样烂，怎样赚钱？66K lah. Actually, I love doing life because tomorrow, the day after, I have retired from teaching life. Previously, I teach life like that. So tomorrow, so now after COVID, I retired and so I do online classes behind Zoom. Yeah. So I love the feeling of life. But this group no response on it. But then later I tell you some jokes, then you laugh. Okay, so so talking about ROI, for new launch, after down payment, you still need to include your 3% of installment, so that will add into your down payment outlay. And let's say you make the same money, your ROI for resale and new launch, which one is better? Resale lah. I don't know why most of the people here, I guess, you always have this mindset, every new launch should be the one that make the most money. Is it correct? Okay, I did some research. It's not true for 1 and 2 bedder. It may be true for 3 and 4 bedder. You know what I mean? Because for the down payment, for the amount of money that you need to buy for 1 bedder, one plus study, 2 make 1 month, which I hate the most, this amount of funds you can buy resale, whereby resale can make more money. Potentially. As Singaporeans, we are literally very blessed and plus, Singapore is a good country for you to invest, and I do not know why some of you choose to buy overseas property, which is quite cuckoo to me. Cuckoo is not good. It's okay, but it's okay. Okay. So everyone, so you must learn to take some risks Okay, and 1, 2, 3, read together. 1, 2, 3. The risk comes from your choice of property, said by some wise man. Who is that? Eric Chu And it's true, I bought properties almost every year, or okay, don't say I like how late. Okay, I do research every year for, let's say, for the past many years. Of course, people who buy all the good properties, being the bad time, we say 2013. 2013 is one of the peak I bought new launch at the time, money rich. Did I make money? Yes, not a lot but I didn't lose. But I got people who bought at the best time. They bought the most tree property ever. They lose money I want to share some gossip I hope that person not here I share Everyone, they don't like me, they just unsubscribe Okay, so guys, like example, anytime when I hear that you tell me, Eric, I bought a property 3 years ago, I will straight away congratulate you and say, wow, well done. I believe you are huat now. I will usually do that. But once I heard a few projects name, I will say, I wish you had made money. Reflections. 3 years ago when you buy and today, break even. The most 3 property combination that you can buy. Small freehold project. This one you buy, you may lose 100 to 200K even today. And we are talking about quite a good time when we buy 3 years ago, which is 2021, 2022. I'm not talking about what 1997, whereby some speaker like to talk about 1995. How long is that in primary school? Yeah, we talk about quite recent. So you see, these are some of the things that everyone can do. It's just that you keep on buying bad properties. Luckily. Only got 1 kid. Just give the kid. Then I can talk freely. Okay, so everyone, first of all, that you want to learn how to make money. You don't talk, I will talk about ELTA all the developer, I will talk about ELTA, okay? Later, okay. We talk about exit plan first. You want to make money, you need to know who are your people who want to buy your property. You don't want to be the only one who, I like A, but 99% of people don't like, then you will not make money. So we talk about exit plan. We need to buy areas where who buys? Yes, 哇，很好谁 Singaporean 对了 Should we buy where foreigners buy? Then we become 菜头 right? You want to become 菜头? No one wants to be 菜头. But a lot of foreigners love to be 菜头. Okay. So you see example, Toa Payoh profile, you see Singaporeans how many? 73%, Bishan like 81%. These are the areas. Tanah Merah is the place I hate the most because of overcrowded of condo. Also 85%. Still want to take photo 这个不好玩的。 这个没有用的。Okay, you want to take? I give you some nice stuff for you to take. This one 没有用，那个 rubbish 的，这个outdated的。Okay, 你是 Pongo 一些啊，是啊 ，how many Pongo 年先？啊 ，Pongo 换啦。Okay, make friend 啊，make friend 啊。You know. I see. Also, is it 82% quite hot? You can see, right? A Farrer Park 90%. Then Sentosa, do you want to buy or Singapore 45.5 eh. These are the areas where chui one lah. If you have any agents who ask you to buy some Sentosa property, you what? Unfriend them lah. Let me show my. Okay. Wow, I'm very excited. I talk so much 6 minutes only. Let me drink water. Hey, my speed okay entertaining Walao, I should be stand-up comedian Yeah, I got people ask say, Eric, you be politician, I will vote for you Then I will increase ABSD. I just realized I must be friendly because today my purpose is to get subscriber. Okay, so don't buy Sentosa and if you meet any friends who stay Sentosa, you just walk away Marina, what now is 50%, you want to buy there? River Valley, don't want 49%, Bugis, you see 69%, 不要啦 Orchard, 多少 25% siao how to buy? Then Orchard did another Orchard I power is you see 87%. Fun fact, want to guess which? This is the project where sold almost the highest per square feet recently. Orchard, like? 靠近, not that one. No, it's new launch. They haven't completed, and they sold one of the penthouse, 33 million. 对了啦，住那边有很多foreigner跟你做朋友。听不到讲多一次。Park Nova， 不懂对不对？不用紧张，我们是凡人不会懂这种东西的。你们know this one we only know like Waterway Point, Clavon Mall, ELTA, Clavon Mall. Okay, so where to buy? Clementi lah. Walao you see. Developer, give me a round of applause. Every 有讲 Clementi 有实力啪。Okay 78.3% 不错Okay, let's talk a bit of Clementi Okay, as I say, it's not near MRT. Although you walk everywhere, you can walk. You can also walk to Orchard anywhere, but it's a special area. Clementi is a special area, and even the nearest project to MRT is Tri-Link. Even from the side gate to MRT is about 450 meters. And Tri-Link is an 8-year-old condo, and the project, some projects don't do well, some projects do well because the layout matters also. So if you have known Tri-Link, they have a lot of weird laws, there are stupid rooms, stupid bedrooms, they only put super single, whereby ELTA can put queen king. And because the only and we can see that Clavon Canopy, although it's the first one to launch in this area, to me last time when I am not so 厉害的时候 to me it's like Clavon Canopy 呸啦，谁要住那边 who wants to stay there, am I right? But they huat until crazy. Then of course I supported Clavon because during Clavon's launch during COVID 2020, and at that time it's a no-brainer if you're my one-to-one. I think I did some reviews. If you go watch 4 years ago, my review of Clavon is the launch price is cheaper than the resale Clavon Canopy. I repeat, the new launch in per square feet terms is cheaper than resale. Then what should you do? Chiong lah! I remember got one couple, Eric, we scared, so we thought of pulling out. I think, okay. You go away. 你去各位 okay. I wish good luck. So I believe the person who went watch back the profitability, they lao bak sai confirm. Okay, but Clavon is a special project, so that's why if you want to buy ELTA 来了 ELTA I think I shared Kelvin. You know what's Kelvin, right? Clavon I have shared Clavon's profitability before. It's super good. Their recent two-bedder, okay, everyone, for your information, when I talk about two-bedder, it's not 2-1, it's 2-2. Because I got standard, 明白吗? Okay, so all the 2-2s, they are making about 300 to 350K. 你记得啊 2-2, 300 to 350K. 3-bedder, small 3, 400-500, big 3, 600, 4-bedder, 800-900. Understand? So if you want to buy ELTA today and say, wow, Eric say you make so much money, I am more than happy for you. But if you want to be conservative as an investor, you just buffer from there. So if the 2-2 is about 300 to 350, I think you should make around 200 to 250. 明白吗? If you buy the 3-2, 小三房, the one without storeroom, it will be about 350. Then the big 3-bedder, 350, 400. Then the 4-bedder, 500-600 lor. But whether you will make this money, the most important thing is still the what? What price? Sorry, very good. Yes, the entry price on when? Today? Can I base on the indicatives to say that, oh, this is the value you just anyhow buy? No, because some disgusting developers, no, not that much. Some they just give you like, oh, second floor very cheap, but the third floor they increase by 100K. Okay, I tell you something. Fun fact. Recently, last year, you know one of the developer, second floor, two-bedder example, two-bedder, 2-2 is about 1.4 let's say about 1.4 let's say let's say second floor 1.4, guess how much is third floor? Okay, by right per floor for two-bedder, roughly, what is the rough, good get, like good jump? 10K is like 蛮多啦. They jump 130 or 150K. So you see, these are, but you see, can we blame them? No lah, they drink lah. They biggest one, what can we do? But as a consumer, we still need to come back to numbers to see whether it still makes sense for us to buy at this price by comparing with the surrounding projects. So it's all upon on that day price. So even today, I believe most of you have you passed check? That means you have participated in the project. It still comes to on that day. Whether you want to proceed, you want to abort, on that day 才想啦, but before that, just try. Because I learned from 2 mistakes before. How many mistakes? 2. First mistake, I think North Park Residences is bad. It's bad, but they make very good money. Due to there's a lot of HDB upgraders there, which is about the same as Clementi. Why Clementi? There's okay, I mean it's far to MRT. There's not a lot of there's so good. You don't have like elite school. The only thing here is there are upcoming what? I think so. I never do research, but there are a lot of these people. That's why you make money. The freshly baked kueh, the MOP, some of them going to MOP or the future MOP people. These are your future buyers that will buy from you. So I think I always share this before. I want to put this in your mind. Just keep it. Just keep this tip. You will be kueh. Are you ready? You always learn to make money from upgraders. You always learn to make money from upgraders. Don't make money from investors. Understand? So you don't buy where investor want to buy one lah. Just buy those people who want to buy for stay. Clementi is one of the good example. Congo is a good example. Toa Payoh is a good. So these are always a very prosperous estate because people there, they very huat. When people huat, they want to upgrade for, and usually the average age of my neighbor is about 45 years old, and their kids, they want to play a swimming pool lah, you know. So it's a good value to upgrade during this age. So that's the reason why there's a lot of positive outlook for Clementi.